Welcome to Topskilltrainers right here. To monetize your TRC20 USDT using your recovery phrase, seed phrase. Here is a clear step-by-step guide based on expert advice and tutorials. 1. Restore your wallet using the recovery phrase. Use a Tron-compatible wallet app such as TronLink, Trust Wallet, or SafePal. Download and install one of these wallets on your mobile device or browser. Choose the option to restore, import wallet and enter your 12-word recovery phrase exactly as given. Laugh nominee buzz game expose field wash shoe world sadness bicycle grain. Set a strong password if prompted to secure your wallet. This will give you access to your wallet and the TRC20 USDT stored in it. 2. Ensure you have TRX for transaction fees. TRC20 USDT transactions on the Tron blockchain require a small amount of TRX, Tron's native token, to pay for network fees. If your wallet has no TRX, you may need to acquire some TRX and send it to your wallet address before you can move your USDT. 3. Transfer or sell your USDT. Once your wallet is restored and funded with TRX for fees, you can monetize your USDT in several ways. A. Send USDT to a cryptocurrency exchange. Transfer your TRC20 USDT to a reputable exchange like Binance that supports TRC20 USDT deposits. On the exchange, you can trade USDT for other cryptocurrencies or sell it for fiat currency, USD, EUR, etc. After selling, withdraw the fiat to your bank account or payment method. B. Use peer-to-peer, P2P, trading. Some platforms offer P2P trading where you can sell USDT directly to buyers for cash or bank transfer. This method can be convenient if you want to avoid exchange fees or delays. C. Use decentralized exchanges, DEX. You can swap your USDT for other tokens on Tron-based DEXs like SunSwap. This option is more for crypto trading or investment rather than immediate cash conversion. 4. Security precautions. Treat your recovery phrase like gold. Anyone with it can access your funds. Use official wallet apps and avoid phishing sites. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone. Confirm all addresses carefully before sending funds to avoid loss. Summary. Restore your wallet with your recovery phrase in a Tron-compatible wallet. Acquire some TRX for transaction fees if needed. Transfer USDT to an exchange like Binance or sell via P2P to convert to cash. Withdraw fiat currency from the exchange to your bank account. Always keep your recovery phrase secure and private. Following these steps will allow you to safely access and monetize your TRC20 USDT holdings using your recovery phrase. As detailed guides, article so link in description box. If this video is helpful, please subscribe now and join our community of lifelong learners, because your journey to success starts here.